Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at buwaka. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at buwaka. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban.
Good morning everyone. We welcome you to AA League, ang ating Ateneo Alumni League. Ngayon, di nyo makakasama nyo po ang inyong mga commentators. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes.
And my name is Nino Mendoza, one of your commentators for this game, and abangan nyo kaming himayin dito. And this is actually the finals match for the Legends Division.
Yes, kaya abangan
mainit
lang
to.
po natin yung ating mga laro ngayong araw na ito.
Just a quick one. Itong ginagawa natin will be something different. It will be history sa A-League. You will be watched all over the world. Tama ba ako, Jenny? Papanood kayo. So start sharing the link. Yung A-League page natin, Jenny Preferred A-League, yung Oracle Sports League, Oracle Basketball League. Start sharing sa mga match natin. So they will be able to watch your game. Alright? Okay. Ang inspiration ko is because I've been playing sa A-League for many years and you know, I think A-League deserves something bigger. You know, ito ang start. And I will eventually pass it to that guy behind you guys, you know, Eldridge Ragas. Next year, something else will happen. I think it will be better than this. You know? So, mag-ingat po tayo. Batch 93, mga manoy, mga kakawat ko. Batch 90 tabang. Okay? Play with sportsmanship. Ano? Keep the values. You know? Give them a very thrilling game, no problem. At the end of the day, we will be brothers. Alright? Thank you.
And now let us have
2,000 so kami host for this year. So good luck sa team. I won't take much of your time either. So early na sa December 30, we'll have a lot of food, drinks, overflowing drinks, and mga banda. Okay, so December 30, early na kita. Good luck sa game. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much. Once again, good luck to our players and don't forget to have fun. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, let the games begin.
We were not to be represent and players for all teams.
Yan po ang ating Ateneo Association Alumni League 2025 para sa ating finals game. At ngayong araw po ang ating unang maglalaro. Ito po ang Nubentabang versus Batch 1993. Kaya para sa mga fans po at mga alumni ng Ateneo, talagang panoorin niyo po ang ating mga laro ngayong araw to. Dahil sigurado pong isang bakbakan po ang ating matutunghayan. Of course, sabi nga po natin, ang ating first game po yung Nubentabang and Batch 1993. Sila po ang ating mga legends dito. Finals para dito sa ating dalawang koponan dito.
Live here sa covered court ng Ateneo Dinaga. Kaya kung available kayo, pwede kayong manood dito sa covered court ng Ateneo. And of course, available na ang games ng Alumni League sa ating live stream sa Oragon Sports TV, GNN TV 48 Naga. And the first in the lineup from our teams flashing on your screen. Talagang kahit legends yung ating mga players dito. Nakikita mong magiging mainit ang laban.
Kung sino man po ang mananalo dito sa ating Nubentabang and Batch 1993, sila na po ang tatanghaling kampiyon para sa ating Legends Division. At ngayon po sa ating sa loob ng ating covered court, pinapakilala na po natin ang ating mga players from the side of Nubentabang and from the side of Batch 1993. Now here are the players from the side of Nubentabang. Dating mga basketball players na yun nagbabalik sa loob ng hard court. para magpakitang gilas at sino nga ba ang makakakuha ng kampyonato ngayong umagang ito para sa ating Legends Division.
For sure ako, ang ibang players dyan sa ating Alumni League, mga former varsity players, hindi yan makakarating ng finals. Ayun, makikita mo talagang grabe yung kanilang mga past games. Yan na yung lineup ng ating player ng teams sa ating Legends Division.
Now, let's all have fun for this game today. Now, ready na po ang ating mga players from this both side. In just a few minutes, magsisimula na po ang ating unang laro. Our Sunday matchup, Nubentabang versus Batch 1993. Our Legends ang unang magtatapatan po dito sa ating Ateneo Alumni League 2025. Yan na po ang ating starting lineup.
Match na match yung lineup na pinasok dito ng both teams.
Now, ito na po ang ating starting lineup. We have Labaw, Makandog, Hokom, Tayo, Lazaro on the side of Batch 1993. Dito naman sa batch or sa Nubentabang, we have Verdeflor, Reyes, Garcia, and the rest of the players here.
And napansin ko lang dito sa side ng 93 is yung coach nila, former coach ng Naga Parochial School Elementary Basketball, si Coach Pat. Out of bounds. First ball possession ng 93. Gandang passing.
Now Alberto with the ball. Finding his teammate now, jersey number 51. Now it's still coming from the side. Jersey number 1, dire-diretso. No good.
Wala pang pumupuntos sa ating mga teams. Jumper. Still no good for the side of the Nubentabang. 45 seconds lang nakalipas sa ating laban. And sobrang higpit ng mga depensa ng ating mga players. Walang masyadong nakapuntos.
Now Batch 1993, Makandog asking for that ball for a three-pointer. Now the first basket on the side of 93.
Beautiful throw from Makandog on that corner. And talagang nakita ng kanyang teammate. Second chance. Ball possession pa rin ng Nubentabang.
Ayan, Nino, para makarinig tayo ng update mula sa side ng Batch 1993, tawagin po natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Famke.
Araw mga kaibigan, nandito tayo kung saan magpapasiklaban ng husay, galaw at determinasyon ang mga Atenistang kampyon. Ngayon din mismo may mga nagbabalik para gumawa ng panibagong kasaysayan. All eyes on the team of 1993, the veterans of the court, masters of the game, and the living proof that the legends never retire. These players may have left the court years ago, but today they return to dominate the court once again. At syempre ako ang maghahatid sa inyo ng maiinit na updates on the side of them. Abangan natin ang matinding tapatan ng Team 1993 at Nubentabang. For sure mga kaibigan, sobrang na-miss nila ang court at paglalaro ng basketball. Kaya naman tignan natin kung ano ang kanilang maibubuga. Only here on A-League. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Famke, for that update from the side of the 193. And talagang mag-e-enjoy ang ating mga teams dito for this game. Tulad nga ng nabanggit mo kanina, dating mga champions and representing Ateneo Ngayon na kahit tumatanda na, there's still a chance for them na makapaglaro and maunat yung kanilang mga katawan dito sa Ateneo Alumni League.
Nawabyog. A fast break coming from the side of Nubentabang. Ngayon nga po, we are tied on 5-all sa ating first quarter here. 7 minutes and 2 seconds remaining here. At para makihingi naman tayo ng update on the side of Nubentabang, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Dylan.
Maljas Weekend at Bicolanja. I am Dylan Talagtag, your courtside reporter on the sidelines of Team Nubentabang. We are now at the championship of A-League. Team Nubentabang's journey here in Ateneo Alumni League is a testament of their willpower, taking every momentum into a journey full of joyous moments. Isa sa alas ng team ang kanilang key player at ang college varsity ng kanilang batch, si jersey number 13, Tripulka. Labanan ng stamina, yan ang mapapanood natin dito, kaya tutok lang sa Oragon Sports TV as the Battle of the Legends begins. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Dylan, for that update para sa Nubentabang. And tulad nga ng sinabi mo kanina, one of their key players for Nubentabang, Tripulka, well-known name for the Ateneo. Several generations na naglarong Tripulka para dito sa Golden Knights. And look at that, 3-pointer.
Now batch 1993 having that big gap 6-point lead against Nubentabang. Now Alberto with the ball. Nagkahabol sila dito ng 6 na puntos. Passes to Reyes for a 3-pointer, no good. That ball stays on the side of Nubentabang. An opportunity here to lessen that gap. Now Reyes to inbound. Looking for his teammates on the side. Garcia passes to Reyes. Back to Garcia. Now inside, look at that defense from the side of batch 1993. Deflected. But a whistle foul. Tatawagan dito ng foul sa jersey number 5 ng Nubentabang. Labanan talaga ng stamina dito sa loob ng covered court.
Ang bilis ng pacing ng ating laban. Makandog on that same spot. In and out. Second chance, 3-pointer is good. Coming in from jersey number 1 Lazaro. Gandang performance pinapakita dito ng 193. Napatawag ng timeout ang ating Nubentabang.
Unstoppable dito. Ito ang ating batch 1993. Of course, we have Hukom. Makandog dito sa side ng batch 1993. Talagang fast-paced game for this first quarter. 5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. 5:14 na po ang ating puntos. Siyam ang tinabaho ng batch 1993 dito. So let's see after this timeout anong gagawin ng Nubentabang to lessen that gap and have the domination for this quarter.
Mabilis na adjustments yung kailangan dito ng Nubentabang. And kailangan lang habulin yung 193 habang maaga pa para di makapagkuha ng momentum para sa kanila.
Just the batch 1993 enjoying this game. So let's see as we continue. This first quarter, we're halfway through it. Now jersey number 5 to inbound on the side of Nubentabang, Alberto. The passes to Francisco. Back to Alberto on the other side naman. Goes inside. Wala pa rin para dito sa Nubentabang. Malaking tulong din dito sa jersey number 21 sa baba. The defense of 1993. Now let's see here with this ball possession.
Nandun ang off-ball movements dito ng 93. Second chance. Buhay pa rin ng bola. And was fouled on his way to the basket. Grabe talaga yung advantage dito ng 93 with Hokom. Jersey number 21. Matangkad dito si Hokom. Nakukuha niya yung rebounds.
With offense and defense on the side of batch 1993. Talagang first quarter pa lang pinapakita na nila. Jersey number 21. 2 free throws. No good. Still, yung malaking gap nandito pa rin sa batch 1993. Second free throw. That's good. Now ball possession of Dubentabang.
10-point lead.
Dubentabang. Kailangan nilang iwasan yung mga mistakes na nagagawa nila. And pasigurong mga shots. Sobrahan. Second chance. From jersey number 9.
Floaters good sa side ng Dubentabang. That's jersey number 9 with that point. Na 1993, Ayo. Offensive rebound. Ayo once again, passes to Tayo. With a traveling violation.
Traveling violation was called.
7:15. Francisco. Stop. Now nasa loob na.
Steal from 193. And a chance for a fast break dito. Swing ball. Sayang ang opportunity dito ng 193 na ma-extend yung kanilang lead. And mabilis talagang nakapag-react dito yung Nabentabang.
Now Ayo. Ball possession of 193. Hokom again, once again. That's good. Even with the guards of the Bentabang.
Beautiful low post move coming in from Hokom.
10-point gap of 193. Pero si jersey number 9 dito sa side ng Nubentabang. Talagang siya yung pupunta sa kanilang kupunan. Just down to 8-point lead of 193. Now Tayo with the ball. Pass to Hokom. Pero whistled foul against Tripolka. It's a second personal foul. Big man on the side of the Bentabang jersey number 15 enters. So ball possession of 193. Passes to Hokom. Big man against Verde Flor. For a three-pointer, no good. Alberto with that rebound. Now Abiog goes inside. A foul was whistled.
Nililiksi pa rin ng mga players. Bilis na kanilang mga fast breaks and grabe pa yung mga galaw, nakapagpasabit pa ng foul. Jersey number 10, Abiog on the line for a chance to convert 2 points dito.
Still 9-17 in favor of 193. 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining here. First basket was good. Now Abiog for his second free throw. Now even free throws, importante para dito sa side ng Dubentabang. Offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Have it recorded here. Now Ayo. Stop. Passes to jersey number 30 now. Nahukom with the ball.
Gandang dribbles ni ako.
Abiyog now with an opportunity.
Alberto, full of jumpers. Basket. 2 points.
Paunti-unti na binabawasan ng Nubentabang yung kalamangan na ginagawa dito ng 193. Kahit andyan yung pagod ng ating mga players, 100% pa rin yung kanilang binibigay dito.
5 points na lang kailangan nilang habulin. Ball movement ulit.
Na Garcia pass to Abiog. A minute and 4. For a 3-pointer, no good. $53 seconds. 193 Ayo. Tries. That's good. I think this is the second 3-pointer on the side of 193. 34 seconds. No, Biog with the ball.
Ganda ng performance dito ng 93.
Francisco to Abiog. Good ball rotation here. Goes inside, no good. Now a steal coming from the side of Nubentabang. Loses it, but jersey number 15 was there. 2 points, long 2. Para dito sa Nubentabang. At natapos na nga po ang ating first quarter with a score of 14-20 in favor of Batch 1993. Ang dami pa pong pwedeng mangyari. Mabalik po kami. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Pass pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dala-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at muwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka away now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Laro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dala-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the core.
And we are back inside the Ateneo covered court para sa ating Legends matchup finals ng AA League. It's between Nubentabang and Batch 1993. Nagtapos nga po yung ating first quarter with that big gap of 193. Ngayon, anong pambawi ng Nubentabang for this quarter? Now Makandog with the ball. Heavily guarded by Alberto. Looking for his teammates. Villarreal to Hukom against Tripulca. Back to Makandog. Look at that defense of Nubentabang.
Grabe yung defense ito ng Nubentabang. Nahihirapan ang 93. And look at that steal. Fast break opportunity now.
Well, turnover ah. Hukom once again. Nagkakagawan dito. Tripulca. No a chance for Nubentabang. Garcia. Well, that connection between Garcia and Francisco. A good start for the second quarter on the side of Nubentabang.
Napapalit na dito ng Nubentabang yung kanilang yung gap ng 193. And now
from 10-point gap now. 4 points na lamang hinahabol ng Nubentabang. Makandog. The whistled foul. Called Francisco. Still ball possession of 193 here.
Jersey number 9. First personal foul. First rebound.
No home with the ball.
Traveling violation.
A traveling violation. Called to hukom. Ngayon, a big opportunity here for Nobentabang. 4 na puntos na lang yung kanilang hinahabol dito.
And medyo mainit ang naging laban. Maririnig nga natin yung kanilang mga adjustments kagad inside the court. Fast break, 493. Easy basket for jersey number 11. Ang ganda ng passing talaga dito ng 193. Yun yung nakapagpa-extend palalo ng kanilang points.
That's the first basket on the side of 193. Now, an opportunity once again. At para makarinig naman tayo ng update mula sa side ng ating leading team, batch 1993. Andyan po si Dylan.
Thank you, Tin and Nino. The team's perseverance are overflowing as they step into the first quarter. Goal ng team na mag-enjoy at magpakita ng galing sa loob ng hardcourt. Ramdam dito sa loob ng hardcourt ang focus ng team despite of committing errors and struggling to maintain their energy. Tuluyan man nalamangan ng kalaban, the team na Bentabang are positive na sila ay makakahabol. Yan muna ang updates dito sa side ng team na Bentabang. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Nino.
Thank you, Dylan, for that update from the side of Nobentabang. And tama ka nga dun, Dylan, kailangang iwasan nila dito yung kanilang mga turnovers and yung mga unnecessary mistakes. Kasi grabe yung nagiging scoring ng 193. They're continuing to dominate this game. Kahit second quarter, mukhang hindi napapagod dito yung 93 sa pag-score. Lalo't na si Hukom nasa ilalim, securing the rebounds, and the defense talagang stretch na stretch para dito sa 93, preventing any attempts from the Nobentabang.
Now, Nino, to hear an update naman from the side of the Bentabang dahil lumalaki na naman yung kalamangan ng batch 1993. Let's hear it from Famke.
Age doesn't matter mga kaibigan, kitang-kita ang talas at liksi ng batch 1993 sa first quarter. Alam nyo mga kaibigan, medyo kalmado pa ang ating mga manlalaro sa simula at talagang ini-enjoy ang bawat sandali ng kanilang paglalaro. Pero ipinakita pa rin talaga ng batch 1993 ang kanilang tibay at husay. Kaya naman sila ang nangunguna ngayon. Mapanatili kaya nila ito o magagawa pang makabahabol ng kabilang koponan. Tutok lang dito sa Ateneo Alumni League. Yan muna ang update dito. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Nino.
Thank you, Famke, for that update from the side of 193. And tama ka nga dun, age. Ang sabi ni Famke dun, age is just a
Yeah.
number.
Age
And,
doesn't matter para sa ating mga players ngayong
age
umaga.
doesn't matter. And makikita natin na 193 dominating this game. And kailangan nilang i-continue kung anong ginagawa nila ngayon kasi it's working for them. And paigpitan lang nila lalo yung kanilang depensa. But Nobentabang dito, kailangan nilang habulin kung anong ginagawa ng 193 and basagin kung anumang strategy na ginagawa ng 193. Let's see kung magkakaroon ng adjustments ang Nobentabang sa ating second quarter. Medyo maaga pa naman kaya marami pang pwede mangyari.
Now, 193 with the ball possession. Hukom passes to jersey number 1, Lazaro. Back to Hukom. Naghahanap dito ng oportunidad. Papasok sa loob. That's good para dito kay Vergara. 193 still continues to get a point here. Garcia passes to jersey number 5. Whistled foul.
Jersey number 25. First personal foul.
And jersey number 13 on the line to shoot his free throws.
First rebound.
First free throw is no good. One out of 2 on the free throw line. Little by little, nahabol dito ng Nobentabang yung ginagawang kalamangan ng 193.
18-28. Back to 10-point lead. Itong 193. Now Lazaro passes to Hukom. Pero out of bounds. Turnover dito para sa side ng Nobentabang. Abiyog to inbound. We're halfway through. We're almost halfway through our second quarter. Alberto with the ball. Tripulka against Hukom. An opportunity once again for 193. Stop for a three-pointer.
Grabe player dito si Hukom. Kahit he is actually an
technical difficulties, but right now we are back for our Legends competition here between the batch 1993 and Nobentabang. At sa ating second quarter po, ilang segundo na lamang ang ating natitira. Still, the lead is on the side of 193. 7 seconds remaining, or 55 seconds remaining. Makandog with the ball. Heavily guarded here. Lazaro with the ball. But a deflection here. Albiog nagmamadali dito. Passes to jersey number 51 but loses it.
Nakasobra ng energy dito si Abio. Napalakas yung kanyang pasa. Fast break na sana for Nobentabang. And the lead of the 193. Nahabol na dito ng Nobentabang. 5 points na lamang ang gap. Yun lang. Nabitawan yung bola. Same ball possession. Bola pa rin ng 193.
25 seconds remaining. No Hukom. Back inside the court. 7 seconds remaining on the side of 193. Now, technical will be given to Verde Flor after that discussion with the officials.
Jersey number 15, technical. For recipe to a ball. One technical free throw for batch 93.
Tension. Napupuno dito sa court with this close fight.
Mhm.
Jersey
Makandog
number
na.
18 for the technical free throw. Symbol possession. 93 pa rin na may hawak ng bola. Lazaro to inbound the ball. With 21 seconds remaining.
Now, Lazaro pass to Makandog. Heavily guarded by Garcia. Another whistled foul here to Verde Flor once again.
Jersey number 15, third personal foul.
That's his third personal foul.
Kasali sila technical.
Hukom now. 2 free throws. No good. Sa kanyang unang free throw. 19 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half.
Penalty situation na dito ang Nabentabang. And 19 seconds. Shot clock is off. Now Nabentabang. Chance for one last score bago matapos ang ating 7th quarter. Deflected by Hukom. Grabe dito yung ginagawang performance ng 193. And Nabentabang with the fast breaks as well.
10 seconds remaining here. Abiog, heavily guarded, an opportunity here. 5 seconds to shoot for Nabentabang. Francisco, no good. And that's it. That's the end of our first half, 30-36. Naibaba na lamang po sa animang kalamangan ng 193. So let's see sa ating third quarter, anong gagawin ng Nabentabang to lessen that gap. Only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may dangal at suwaga. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may dangal at suwaga. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, May dangal-dala, di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever.
And we are back inside the Ateneo covered court for our second half here. 6 na puntos na kalamangan mula sa 193 against Nobentabang. Now 10 seconds to shoot. Anyo, no good. Tripulca secure that rebound. Jersey number 5. Nobentabang, an opportunity, Francisco. And to the other side here for jersey number 10. Deflected. Nalabaw. Dire-diretso. Look at that.
Mabilis yung Nobentabang dito sa fast break. And now, score is 32-36. 4 na lang ang hahabulin dito ng Nobentabang.
Well, malaki din yung contribution dito ni Francisco sa side ng Nobentabang. Now an opportunity for them to lessen that gap. 4 na puntos. Francisco, no good. Same ball possession. (32-36) from a 10-point gap. Ayan, nabawasan na dito ang hinahabol ng Nobentabang. Abiog. Wala pa rin. Tayo with that rebound. Nobentabang. Garcia. Wala pa rin. Para sa pangalawang pagkakataon, Francisco. Same ball possession.
And Batch 193 dominating this third quarter as well. Wait for some updates kung anong kanilang plano para tapusin itong ating laban. We have our courtside reporter from the side of 193. Famke, anong balita dyan?
On the court, you don't hope, you dominate. At yan mismo ang pinakita at pinatunayan ng Batch 1993. Talagang naging intense ang tunggalian ng dalawang koponan. Nakita natin na humabol ang Nobentabang. Talagang may plano silang tapatan, or should I say higitan, ang current score ng Batch 1993. Kaya naman, ano kayang gagawin ng batch na ito upang hindi na sila maabutan ng puntos ng Nobentabang? Tutok lang mga kaibigan dahil may remaining 2 quarters pa tayo. Yan muna ang update on my side. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Famke. Ayan nga po. Yung kalamangan nandito pa rin sa Batch 1993, but isang puntos na lamang po yung pinoprotektahan nila dito dahil napakaganda nung naging domination for this third quarter ng Nobentabang. But let's see. An opportunity once again for 193 Macandog. Nagmamadali dito. That's good. Well, Macandog, yung kanyang contribution dito sa side ng 193. But let's see, on the side of Nobentabang, kung ano nga ba yung gagawin nila dito. para mahigitan ang puntos ng 193. Andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Dylan.
Thank you, Tin and Nino. The team's effort and dedication in the second quarter are unmeasurable. While Batch 1993 is holding the lead, the story on this side of the floor is all about Nubentabang's response. The key for Nubentabang moving forward will be consistency, limiting turnovers, finishing possessions, and continuing to challenge shots on the perimeter. This game is far from over. They still have plenty of time to continue and get their momentum. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Dylan, for that update from the side of Nubentabang. And grabe dito yung ginawang trabaho ng Nubentabang. First hanggang second quarter, hinahabol nila yung 193. And now, onti na lang, 3 points ang kalamangan ng 193. And successful yung naging strategy ng Nubentabang. Fast break after fast break. And sunod-sunod yung kanilang naging puntos. Salot na Francisco on the line for Nubentabang. Dire-diretso yung kanilang ginawang fast break points.
Pero naubusan na ng oras dito sa side ng Nubentabang. Sayang sana dito. 35-38, pero bago po tayo magpatuloy, pasalamatan lang po natin ang ating mga sponsors, ang Ateneo Dinaga High School Batch 2000, at Dugaa, PLDT, Genan TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, 3N Bakery, Casa Moderna, Digigraphics, Mary's Coffee, Jana Cafe, Bergbox, Dalagold Delivery, Chick Magnet, Carmelo's Cafe and Grill, California Palms Resort, Hotel Del California, DLP Printing Services, Jag Sportswear, Katie Sportswear Taylor Swift Manoy's Grill, Sloppy Lemon, Mr. Juan Nino Perez, Hardshell Construction Supply, at kay Mr. Neil Harvey Salazar. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors para maging realidad itong ating laro ngayong araw na ito.
And now, for ball game, Nubentabang. 3-pointer from jersey number 10. No good. Francisco, fake pass. And the jumper is good, coming in from Francisco. Ayun na, 93. Taking their time for every possession. .193. Makandog has the ball. Pick and roll. Extra pass to that corner man for a 3-pointer is good. Jersey number 11. Extending the lead of 193. Napatawag dito ng timeout ng Nubentabang.
Grabe, hindi talaga hinahayaan ng 193 na makalabang sa kanila yung Nubentabang. Every time na isang puntos na lang yung hinahabol ng Nubentabang, ando naman sila gumagawa ng puntos. Ngayon napatawag na naman ng timeout dito with a score of 37-41. If I'm not mistaken, yes. 41, yes. 37-41 sa ating score. 5 minutes and 9 seconds. Halos kalahati na po tayo dito sa ating third quarter. So now, ano kaya yung gagawin ng Nubentabang dahil kahit anong gawin nila, yung isang puntos na hinahabol na lang nila, dinadagdagan pa ng Batch 193.
Great job on the side of 193 preventing na makahabol dito yung Nubentabang. Kaya kailangan talagang triple effort ng Nubentabang yung kanilang ginagawa. Kasi Batch 193 hindi sila pumapayag kung ano mang ginagawang plano dito ng Nubentabang. And palapit na tayo sa ating fourth quarter. Players are tired already. Makikita natin na yung first 5 from the both teams. Konti na lamang yung natitira.
Now let's see here on the side of Nubentabang. With that 4-point gap, jersey number 51, pass to Alberto. 14 seconds to shoot here. Alberto, no good. Verde Flor. Batch 193. Hanapin dito to Anyo. Passes to Lazaro. Nubentabang with the ball possession. Dire-diretso. Para whistled foul. Now Garcia will be on the free throw line for 2 shots.
Fresh players makikita natin dito sa ating third quarter. And kaya mabilis-bilis yung kanilang transition. nakapagpahinga na sila with those substitutions and player swapping. First free throw is no good for jersey number 51.
Now, Nobentabang even free throws, importante sa kanilang kupunan dito dahil sila yung naghahabol. Second free throw. That's good. Para dito kay Garcia. Now tayo, magtatawid ang bola for batch 193. 37-42. Vergara. Passes on the outside.
.193 here, continuing yung kanilang ginagawang lead. And nasa stretch na naman ito. 5-point lead lang meron ng 193. And Nobentabang, kailangan nilang i-double work talaga. Another turnover from there and mapapadali dito para sa 193.
Now tayo passes. Back to tayo. 5 puntos pa rin ang hawak na alamangan kayo ng 193. On the corner for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Second chance point para dito sa 193. Again, a domination for them dito sa ating third quarter.
Ang gandang advantage actually kapag lumalamang na. Kasi look at the playing style of 193 here. Taking their time. Unlike dito sa Nobentabang, talagang they are utilizing the fast break points para mapaikli dito yung lamang. And look at that, 93.
No
43
Anya.
players.
For 3. No good. Abyog with that rebound. Dire-diretso to Francisco. Sayang. But still here. Garcia to Francisco once again. Tries. This time na ipasok na ni Francisco yan.
Francisco here. Sunod-sunod yung puntos na ginagawa ni Francisco for Nobentabang. And simula first hanggang third quarter, talagang makikita natin na he is contributing well to the team.
With this 5-point lead of 193, anong gagawin ng Nobentabang? Of course, isa din talaga sa key players ng Nobentabang itong si Francisco. Contributing well sa kanyang kupunan dito. Ngayon sa 5 puntos na kalamangan ng 193. Anong gagawin nila dito to defend that gap as we are about to enter the last 2 minutes of this quarter?
193, they need to take their time kada possession kasi nasa kanila naman yung lamang. And securing the basket lang talaga.
Yes.
Using
Of
every
course.
opportunity and spreading their chances.
Hindi rin naman nagpapakampante yung batch 193 even with that gap.
Nobentabang here. Tama yung ginagawa nila sa fast breaks kasi nauubusan na sila ng oras. And that 5-point lead mukhang hindi malaki pero it's still a lead. Francisco again with that fast break point.
Yes. Ito yung sinasabi natin go-to player nila itong si Francisco. Maliksi dito sa batch ng Nobentabang.
Parang di napapagod si
Oo,
Francisco. First hanggang third quarter.
Well, it's an advantage on their side na andyan si Francisco. But the rest of the players of the Nobentabang, they need to step up. Hukom. So a turnover para dito sa Nobentabang. Now this is their chance. 42-45.
3 points na lang ang kailangang habulin dito ng Nobentabang. Ganda sana ng low post move. Pang veterans din from Tipulka. And penalty situation dito yung 193. Tripulka on the line to shoot his free throws.
Now they needed this free throws. Tripulka. No good.
kailangan nilang i-secure yung points nila dito. Even with free throws.
That's good for a second free throw. A minute and 30 seconds. Ngayon, 2 puntos na lamang ang kalabangan ng batch 193. Makandog with the ball. Now looking for his teammates. Settling in. Guarded by Francisco. There's no whistle there. Now, Lazaro. Abiog with that rebound. Tatawagan ng foul dito si Makandog. Now, 2 free throws will be given to Abiog. At kung maipasok po ni Abiog dito, yung 2 free throw, eh magkakaroon tayo ng deadlock. First deadlock of the game. Abiog, first free throw. That's good. Kailangan niya na lang itong pangalawang free throw to tie the game.
Tatablo na ang laban and it will be a more exciting match. Hindi pa nga sila nagigit-gitan dito sa ating laban but grabe na yung energy na nararamdaman natin.
And that's it. 45 all. Now, a minute and 8 seconds remaining. Let's see. Anong pambawi dito ng batch 193? Makandog with the ball. Passes to tayo. Now to Hukom. Back to tayo. Tries. No good. Offensive rebound. Makandog now. Papasok sa loob. Pull up. That's good. Now, 193, making sure na nasa kanila pa rin dito yung momentum. Abiog passes to Tripulca. Tripulca. Pass to Francisco. Look at that defense of 193. Abiog. Wala pa rin. There's a whistled foul. Si tayo dito yung tatawagan ng foul. Free throws. Again. Para dito sa nabentabang Tripulca.
Close fight. 45-47. Just a 2-point gap from the teams. First free throw is good from Tripulca.
Nako, mukhang sasaraduhin natin yung ating third quarter na tabla. 14 seconds remaining. Tripulca to tie the game. That's good. 47 all again. Second deadlock. Now tayo. Last ball possession here. 12 seconds to shoot. Tayo. 5 seconds. Passes to Makandog. Goes inside. Wala pa rin. And we ended our third quarter. 47 all. Titingnan po natin sa ating huling quarter dito. Sino ang makakakuha ng kampyonato? Will it be batch 193 or Nobentabang only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon?
Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Kalaw, hindi ka away now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
And we are now on our last quarter para sa ating Legends Championship game between Nobentabang and Batch 193, 47 all. Let's see here, Tripulka.
Daming pump fake doon ni Tripulka. And nakapag-absorb siya ng contact.
This is our deciding quarter. At talagang mahigpit na po agad yung ating laban dito. So, unpredictable pa kung sino makakakuha ng ating kampyonato. Abiog de Francisco tries, no good. Garcia, offensive rebound, but a foul was whistled here. 2 free throws will be given to Garcia.
2 fouls sa isang possession and Nobentabang a chance to get their lead here. Grabe yung nagiging gitgita ng ating laban. Fourth quarter, 2 fouls on 1 possession. Head to head. First shot is no good. Looking to convert the second. Exciting yung ating laban dito. Hindi natin alam kung sino makakapaggawa ng magandang lead. 193 or Nobentabang. 193 taking their time, using every player that they have on the court. 1-2 step, extra pass to that wingman. Fell short on that shot. Yun, 3-pointer from Lazaro is good. A 2-point lead para dito sa 193. And ma-steal sana from 193 pero na-prevent yan dito ng Nobentabang.
Our third three-pointer from the side of Batch 193. Now, nasa kanila po ang ating dalawang puntos na kalamangan dito. Now, let's see. Ano pang gagawin dito ng Nobentabang to snatch it.
Francisco. Ang ganda ng movements dito ni Francisco. And mapapansin natin sa mga scoring ng ating mga players na talagang prominent shooters sila. They are using their jumpers every opportunity that they have. And
Ito yan nga po. Yung Nobentabang yung naghahabol ulit ng 2 puntos. Pero para alamin natin kung anong gagawing adjustment dito ng Nobentabang para sa ating last quarter, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Dylan. Pero babalikan po muna natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Dylan. But right now, Nobentabang with the ball possession. Deflected and a whistled foul. Ngayon, ready na po ang ating courtside reporter from the side of Nobentabang, Dylan.
Thank you, Tin and Nino. Nobentabang has come out with renowned energy, continuing to close on the opponent's lead. We can see the adjustment, crisper ball movement, more aggressive drives, and confident shot making. Nobentabang is taking advantage of their opportunities, and with every possession, they're cutting deeper into the gap. The team needs to stay composed and disciplined for them to continue getting points. This game is shaping up to be a tight battle as we head toward the end. Back to the panel.
thank you, Dylan, for that update from the side of Ateneo 193. Nobentabang, kailangan talaga nilang bawiin dito yung ginagawang lead ng 193. And of course, the 193, they need to maintain what they're doing. A 4-point lead for them again. Kaya paano kaya to hahabulin ng Nobentabang? They need to use their fast breaks tulad ng ginawa nila nung third quarter na nakapagtabla ng laban. Garcia has the ball now for Nobentabang. Ang gandang movement dito.
Another whistled foul. Ngayon naman ninyo, aalamin natin kung ano pa yung gagawin dito ng Batch 193 para mas malaki pa yung kanilang kalamangan dito. To hear an update, andyan po si Famke.
At naging pantay nga ang puntos mga kaibigan sa score na 47-47. Sa pagtatapos ng third set, nakita natin na ginawa ng Nobentabang ang kanilang best para mahabol at matapatan ang puntos ng batch 1993. Talagang this game is getting hype. You know what mga kaibigan, commendable ang communication skill ng batch 1993 pero hindi ito sapat. Ang kailangan nila sa loob ng court ay precision, strategy at consistent energy. Asul nga ba o dilaw? Abangan yan sa last quarter kung sino ang mananalo. Sobrang unpredictable nito mga kaibigan. Kaya tutok lang dito sa Ateneo Alumni League. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Dinyo.
Thank you, Famke, for that update from the side of the 193. Tamang-tama ka doon. Asul or dilaw ang mananood dito sa ating laban. And mukhang umaabante yung dilaw with 6 points lead para sa 193 dito. They need to continue this if they want to secure their win. And Nobentabang kailangan talaga nilang trabahuhin kung paano nila hahabulin yung ginagawang lead dito ng 193. And 193, they are unstoppable for this fourth quarter. Sunod-sunod yung kanilang nagiging puntos, lalo't na at Hocom inside the court for 93. Dominating inside the paint, getting that rebounds, and not mentioning nagdadala din dito ng bola si Hocom.
48-54 nga po ang ating puntos para dito sa ating final quarter in favor on the side of 193. Kaya titingnan natin kung ano ba yung gagawin nila dito para mapanindigan nila at mas mapalaki yung kalamangan na ginagawa nila dito sa ating final quarter at ano naman gagawin ng Nobentabang sa kanilang opensa at depensa to lessen that gap and snatch the championship win against 193. Now we only have 7 minutes and 13 seconds remaining for this final quarter. Let's see kung anong mangyayari dito sa mga minutong natitira ng ating fourth quarter.
193, they are taking their time with every possession that they have. Kasi makikita natin na sila yung lumalamang. And Nobentabang, once they get the possession, kailangan talaga lang magmadali. Speed and precision kailangan dito ng Nobentabang para mabawi yung ginagawang kalamangan ng 193. And now, still ball possession ng 93.
Now, 193 with his ball possession. Solong-solo
Ang
para
ganda.
dito kay jersey number 13.
Beautiful inbound play for the side of 93.
Well, they needed more of that kind of K. Francisco babawi. No good. Villarreal with that rebound. No, Anyo. Nagmamadali dito. 193. Pero yung snatch coming from the side of Nobentabang.
Three points from Obiog.
I think that was the first three-pointer from the side of Nobentabang. 51-56. Now, Hocom, medyo tumahimik siya dito sa side ng 193 sa ating third and fourth quarter. A whistled foul. Para dito kay Tripulca. Hocom will be on that free throw line. Last foul na labang kay Tripulca. Gagraduate na siya dito sa loob ng court na Hocom. First free throw. That's good. Well, malakas or mataas yung percentage dito ni Hocom sa free throw line sa side ng batch 193. Let's see for his second free throw. That's good. Nobentabang. It was a foul. Yes, a chance for a three-point play here para kay Tripulca. Basket with the foul. 53-58. Now let's see here for that almost free throw para kay Tripulka. We're almost halfway of our last quarter. In an out ball. Villarreal with that rebound.
193, kailangan nilang makakita kung ano talagang quality opportunity para sa kanila dito. Because they have the upper hand, they have 5 points on the 5-point lead. Ayun, grabing depensa dito ng Nobentabang. Another foul from their end. Nagiging pisikala na ang ating laban. Papalapit na tayo sa ating last moments ng ating game. 5 minutes and 29 seconds remaining for the fourth quarter. And we can see that the players are exhausted. Kasi grabe naman talaga yung mga players dito. Abiog and Francisco, the guards from Nobentabang, using each other. The shooters. Look at that jumper from Abiog.
Now Abiog and Francisco stepping up for the team of Nobentabang. 55-58, 3 puntos na lamang kanilang hinahabol dito. We're halfway through our final quarter. Nasa 5-minute mark na po tayo, Hukom. Against Tripulka. That will be a turnover. An opportunity here for Nobentabang to lessen the gap or even tie the game. Now Francisco with the ball. Finds Sabiog. Back to Francisco. But the defense on the side of 193. With the help of the basket, the good ball rotation on the side of Nobentabang. They're just down to 1-point lead. Ito pong batch 193. Grabe yung tinatrabaho ng Nobentabang dito.
193. Low post move from Mukhom. Using his body. Ball is saved. Second chance from their end. 3-pointer. Lazaro. Wala pang tumatama sa kanya dito. And they need those 3 points from Lazaro. Players from Nobentabang exhausted. Hindi na nakapagbaba sa ating court. Francisco with 10 seconds. Ayun na. Manipis ng tawag ng ating referees kasi nagkakainitan na ang ating mga players. With 3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining, Nobentabang kailangan nilang habulin itong isang puntos ng 193.
The timeout was called again. 57-58. Ako, isa na lamang yung hinahabol dito ng Nobentabang. And they can get their first lead here, if ever. The opportunity is on their side. 3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining para dito sa ating final quarter. Ang dami bang pwedeng mangyari. So if batch 193, they really want this championship, they need to strengthen their defense as well as their offense. Well, on the other side, Nobentabang, andun sa kanila yung mini momentum dito. Let's see if yung consistency din sa side ng Nobentabang ay magagamit nila up until the end of this game. Again, this is the championship game of our Legends Division sa ating Ateneo Alumni League between batch 193 and Nobentabang.
3 minutes and 53 seconds. The final moments of our game. Lahat ng pinipare dito ng ating teams. For sure. Sino kayang mananaig? 193 or Nobentabang? Azul or Dilaw?
Now with this free throw of Abiog, they can tie the game. That's good. He needed one more to take on the lead here. The first lead of Nobentabang for this game. Let's see.
15th all.
Abiog That's good. Now the first lead of the Bentabang has now here 59-58. Villarreal. Pass to jersey number 25. 14 seconds to shoot. Same ball possession of 193. Macandog. Another whistled foul from the side of Nabentabang Alberto.
Tight defense there from the Nubentabang, preventing dito na makascore yung 193 and the lead nasa kanila na 59-58. Nasa 93 na ngayon ang pressure. 1-2 step, heavy traffic, and ball possession stays the same. 93 dito, kailangan na nilang maging maingat sa kanilang ginagawang decisions. And look at that low post position from Ocom. Grabbing backs out. One of the important players talaga dito para side ng 193, Ocom. Whenever he's under the paint, he gets the rebound and nakakapagkuha siya ng mga easy passes, baskets to score for the 93. First free throw is good from jersey number 25. If they got this point, mapupunta na sa 193 ang Kalamangan. 2 out of 2. Nabawi agad ng 193. 60-59. Abiog has the ball. Dahan-dahang pagbaba ng bola kasi hindi masyadong nakakapag-agwat dito ang 193. Francisco. Heavily guarded here. Grabbing defense ng 193. Tripulca loses the ball. Macandog, a fast break opportunity.
But kudos dun sa depensa ng 193. Tripulca again. Using the glass. 61-60. Now it's anyone's game here for our remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Macandog.
Medyo nagiging pisikalan. Off-ball movements and the foul was called by our referees. Pushing foul. Now, nasa kamay ni jersey number 21. Kung lalamang dito ang 193. First shot is good. Again, deadlock. 61 all our score. Kailangan na dito mag-double effort ng ating mga teams and Nabentabang taking their time for this possession. Low post. Abiog fadeaway jumper. Ganda. And 193 with last 2 minutes and 7 seconds for the game clock. Well, possession goes to 93.
We are about to approach our last 2 minutes.
And ngayon, back and forth ang ball possession, last 2 minutes. The final moments of our game. 2 minutes na magiging deciding factor kung sino magiging champion for the Legends Division ng ating Ateneo Alumni League. Nobentang.
We are now on our last 2 minutes here. Nobentabang, Abyog with a foul. So 2 free throws. 61-62. Just a point lead of 193. A minute and 52 seconds remaining. So hindi pa rin natin alam ninyo kung sino nga ba yung makakakuha ng kampyonato para dito sa ating first game. Palitan lang ng puntos.
Head to head yung kanilang laban. And now, our score, hindi talaga nagkakalayo. 93. Nobentabang. Grabe yung kanilang nagiging gitgitan for the final moments of our game.
Abyog, second free throw here. To take on the lead again. That's good. Well, Abyog mataas yung percentage niya dito sa ating free throw line, which is very important on the side of Nobentabang. Now let's see here, 193 Villarreal. Guarded by Abyog. Passes to Macandog. 14 to shoot. Macandog para dito kay Hukom. He gets it.
Yun na, back and forth yung nagiging galamangan. Abyog has the ball. The final moments of our game. Tripulka 1-2 step for the jumper, no good. Rebound by 193 here. A chance para makapag 3-point lead. Ooh! Side step coming in for that play. And makikita natin pagod na dito si Macandog.
A minute and 16 seconds remaining here for our final quarter. Again, this is the championship for our Legends division. Who will it be? The champions for this division. Batch 193 or Nobentabang? Macandog. 2 free throws. No good. Naku, sayang para dito sa 193.
Crucial moments of our game. 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining. Macandog on the line. Second shot is good for Macandog. 65-63 our score. Alberto may hawak ng bola para sa Nobentabang. Pass to Abyog. 1-2 layup is good for Abyog. 65 all. Our score is deadlock again. Macandog taking his time here. 193 moving the ball around. Heavily guarded. Grabing depensa dito ng Nobentabang. 8 seconds to shoot and natapakan yung linya. Out of bounds. The ball goes to Nobentabang. Medyo naging kampante kasi dito yung 193 from the first to third quarter. And now Nobentabang nakukuha na nila yung kanilang pacing and the momentum sa ating final moments. Alberto has the ball. Ano kaya ang magiging plano dito ng Nobentabang with 40 seconds remaining?
37 seconds remaining here. Deadlock on 65. A whistled foul. Now every possession counts for both teams. There's 32 seconds remaining. Ano kaya mangyayari dito sa ating dalawang kupunan? Now there's 2 free throws of Abyog. Very important for his team, Nobentabang. Abyog first free throw, let's see. That's good. Well, I think most of the free throws of Abyog na ipapasok niya dito sa ating laro.
Crucial points from Nobentabang, 66-65. Magpumasok to 2-point lead for Nobentabang.
He needed this second free throw more than anything, and he did it. With that, pumapatawag nga po ng timeout ang ating 193 with 32 seconds remaining and the 2-point lead of Nubentabang. Grabe yung tinrabaho ng Nubentabang from our first quarter. Nalamang dito. I think that was 10-point cap of 193 pero nailaban nila. Ngayon, sila yung may 2-point cap against 193.
Yung Francisco, yung talagang naging key player nila para mahabol yung puntos doon ng 193. With the fast break points from Francisco, the defense and the steals. Talagang trinabaho nila as a team using their every player. 67 to 65, 32 seconds remaining on the game clock. Last 2 or 3 possessions para dito sa ating mga kupunan. Shot clock at 14 seconds. Bola ngayon ng 193.
Now let's see here, 32 seconds remaining, 67-65. 2-point cap of Nubentabang. Hukom. 14 seconds. Anya tries. No good. Hukom. Offensive rebound tries. Pull-up jumper. Still no good here. Nubentabang with 15 seconds to shoot. Now, will they get the championship, Nino?
Ayan na, tinatakbo na ng Nubentabang yung bola with 10 seconds. 8 seconds remaining. Jumper. No good. Alberto still has the ball. Ayun, 193.
And that's it. The champions of our Legends Division 1990 or our Nubentabang. Their hard work really paid off. After a big gap of 193, they really worked hard for this championship. At sa ating pagbabalik po, I think we can have our best player of the game for this championship. Congratulations to both teams. At mamaya makikilala na po natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Walang iwanan, hindi lang laro. Ito'y misyon, brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Bilang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Triple pass pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Bilang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Triple pass pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Values before skills.
Oy!
After all the intense actions,
Triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From laga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at muwaga. Men for others, we
after all the intense actions ngayon, nandito na tayo at makakasama natin ang best player of the game from the winning team, our champion. From Team Nobentabang, we have jersey number 10, Mr. Abiog with 22 points. So sir, congratulations. So sir, firstly, I wanna ask, ano ba yung naging mindset nyo or inspiration nyo sa paglalaro sa loob ng hardcourt?
Unang-una, nung first quarter sa second quarter, alam namin, behind kami. Pero sinasabi namin, may third quarter sa fourth quarter pa naman, pwede kami bumawi. Kaya yun ang ginawa namin, sinet ulit namin yung mind namin na pagsimula ng third quarter hanggang fourth quarter, hindi kami bibitiw kahit anong mangyari. Kukunin namin itong championship na to.
So sir, any message sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa batch or sa team ng Nobentabang?
Sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa Nobentabang, batch 90, 90, Ade 90, champion kita padi, champion kita. Salamat sa suportan Dugabo, salamat.
Thank you sir and congratulations. With their dedication, perseverance, and hard work, pinatunayan ng Team Nobentabang na ang pagiging liksi at galing ay hindi nabibilang sa batch. Ngayon, na pinatunayan ng kanilang team na sila ay magaling at kayang-kayang makipagbantay o kayang-kayang makipagsabayan sa galing ng ibang batch. Yan muna. I am your courtside reporter, Dylan Talagtag.
Triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From laga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at muwaga. Men for others, we rise together.
And what a game na nangyari doon na Nobentabang versus 193. And talagang grabe yung story yung nangyari. First hanggang second quarter, lumalamang yun ng 193. Pero during the third and fourth quarter, tama nga nang sinabi ng best player natin, 3 na baho dito ng Nobentabang hanggang sa makuha nila ang pagiging champion for the Legends Division sa ating Ateneo Alumni League. Once again, my name is Tino Mendoza, one of your commentators for this game.
And I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes. Abangan po natin ang ating second game. It's the Rookies Division between the Batch 2012 versus Batch 2018. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From laga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at muwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From laga to the